Hey folks, yet again what a difference a day makes. After being in the 80s up until yesterday, then the 50s yesterday, we're right back in the 80s again, pushing 90 in some places, and tomorrow probably 3 or 4 degrees warmer than this. We're showing 85 right now in Weslaco, 84 Raymondville, Harlingen, 83 Brownsville, Port Isabel's 82, the warm spot McAllen right now at 87 degrees. Our lows tonight are warmer than our highs were yesterday by quite a lot. We're looking at lows right around 70 or so, everybody 70 or warmer for low temperatures. And then tomorrow we are back over 90. Everything from about Harlingen on westward should top the 90-degree mark. Raymondville, Brownsville, close on the island, about 75. If you want nature's air conditioner, that's the place to go. It will be much cooler, but still very comfortable with some sunshine on South Padre Island. Normal high for this time of year is 76. Tomorrow we're going to be around 91. The record back underneath there is 93, so we'll be close. And then Sunday, 82. Front comes in, and then Monday we're 74. So we do step back down. The heat doesn't last very long, just a day or two, and then we're kind of back closer to normal. The clouds were thick this morning. Boy, I tell you what, they burned off quickly, though. Moving off to the northwest where the clouds still are. Zapata County up toward Laredo, it is still cooler, but where the sun came out, we've got those warm readings. Clouds may thicken up a bit tonight during the overnight hours, but tomorrow sunshine takes over. That helps warm those readings up into the 90s. You know, the models show that front racing through on Sunday. I'm not so sure it's going to race through. I think it's going to kind of slowly ooze through on Sunday, and there's going to be a time on Sunday when you're down maybe in the low 70s in the western half of the valley and still in the 80s in the eastern half of the valley. That may last for a while on Sunday, but eventually the front pushes on through and then the clouds build back in. Could be a couple of showers, maybe even a thunderstorm with the front, and then clouds linger into Monday with maybe a sprinkler or two around then. So tomorrow's dry. I think a shower thunderstorms possible along and near the front on Sunday, and then lingering light showers into Monday. That may last into Tuesday as well. It's finally warming up across part of Texas. 70 in San Antonio, 63 in Austin, but north of that, Abilene's still 40, Dallas is still 51, so summer's returning to the southern part of the state while winter hanging on up north. And they've got rain up there, so to go with the cold, it's just messy in that part of Texas. There's our warm front. It finally goes through the rest of Texas tomorrow. Almost everybody warms up, but just as that happens, the next front moves in. That front's going to get to the valley sometime Saturday night, early Sunday, but a low pressure area is going to develop right on top of the front. And that's going to be what differentiates where the warm and cool air are. So again, western part of the valley may be cool while the southern part of the valley, Cameron County and southern Hidalgo County, might hang out in the 80s for a little while, but eventually the low moves up the front. That'll probably happen late Sunday into Monday. And once that happens, the front will come in. Temperatures will cool off a little bit, and we'll see a few sprinkles behind that. Front stalls on Tuesday, so still close enough to trigger a few showers. If you're traveling tomorrow, thunderstorms, San Antonio, Houston, temperatures in the 60s. Dallas, thunderstorms 54. That's in the morning. By afternoon, look, it's in the 60s all the way up to Dallas. So finally, mild weather returns to the rest of the state. We're getting it first. 57 tonight, partly cloudy and very mild. Then tomorrow, back up to 91. Morning clouds, then sunny and very warm. Southeast winds at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. 91 tomorrow, then 82 on Sunday. Western part of the valley, a little cooler than that. Closer to the coast, maybe a little warmer. Monday, cooler with some drizzle, 74. We're back in the 80s by Wednesday. Another front then cools temperatures a little bit for the end of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.